World Health Day 2026, observed every year on 7th April, carries a powerful global message: Together for Health, Stand with Science. Led by the World Health Organization, this year's campaign emphasizes the importance of science collaborations and trust in building a healthier future for all. World Health Day 2026. World Health Day is celebrated annually on 7th April to mark the founding of the World Health Organization in 1948. The day raises awareness about key global health issues and encourages collective action to improve public health system worldwide. Each year, a specific theme is chosen to address pressing health concerns. In 2026, the focus is on science-driven healthcare solutions and global cooperation. World Health Day 2026 theme. The theme of World Health Day 2026 is Together for Health, Stand with Science, announced by the World Health Organization. It highlights the importance of trusting science and using evidence-based solutions to improve global health. The theme also promotes collaboration between countries, scientists, and communities. Overall, it encourages everyone to work together for a healthier and safer future. World Health Day 2026 objectives. World Health Day 2026 aims to promote trust in science and encourages global cooperation to improve public health. Led by the World Health Organization, the campaign focuses on using evidence-based solutions to build a healthier future for all. Stand with Science. Encourage people to rely on facts, research, and scientific guidance for health decisions. Rebuild trust in public health, strengthen confidence in healthcare systems, scientists, and medical institutions, promote evidence-based policies, urge government to create health policies based on scientific data and research, support global collaboration, foster partnership between countries, organizations, and researchers to tackle health challenges, strengthen One Health approach, promote integrated efforts connecting human, animal, and environmental health, combat misinformation, reduce the spread of false health information through awareness and education, encourage innovation, support research, technology, and new solutions in healthcare, engage communities, motivate individuals to participate in health awareness campaigns, and adjust healthy practices. What is the One Health approach? The One Health approach means that human health, animal health, and environmental health are all connected. It is promoted by the World Health Organization to solve health problems in a combined way. This approach helps prevent diseases that spread between animals and humans. It also encourages experts from different fields to work together for a healthier world. World Health Day 2026 importance. World Health Day 2026 highlights the critical role of science and global cooperation in improving public health. Led by the World Health Organization, it encourages people to trust scientific evidence and work together for a healthier future, promotes scientific awareness, educates people about the importance of science in preventing disease with improving healthcare outcomes, strengthens global cooperation, encourages countries and organizations to collaborate in solving global health challenges, build trust in healthcare systems, helps restore public confidence in doctors, researchers, and health institutions, encourages evidence-based decisions, motivates individuals and government to rely on verified data and research, supports the One Health approach, highlights the connection between human, animal, and environmental health, combats health misinformation, raises awareness against myths and false information related to health, promotes preventative health care, encourages healthy lifestyle, vaccination, and early diagnosis, inspires community participation, engages people worldwide to take part in awareness campaigns and health initiatives.